Hi, grade 4. Here we come again. Our skill for this week is cause and effect. Okay, this skill also we already took before, so now we're going to have a quick review over this skill and we'll try to apply it on this exercise. Okay, let's follow. Cause and effect. First of all, what is a cause? A cause is the reason something happens. So the cause, it lets something to happen. As we say, everything happens for a reason, right? So everything happens for a cause. What is the effect? The effect is what happens. What really happens? What's the action that happened? Okay, let's see. I have an example here for you. Sammy got the first place. He studied hard. What is the action that happened? It's Sammy got the first place. This is what happened, right? When I want to know where is the cause, I ask myself. I ask the question, why? Why? Okay, the answer of why is the cause. So why Sammy got the first place? Because he studied hard. Because, okay, because he studied hard. So because he studied hard, what happened? What's the effect of studying hard? What will happen? He will get the first place. So here I have the effect. And here is the cause. Okay? So he studied hard. Because he studied hard, what happened? What's the effect of studying hard? Getting the first place. Okay, so the cause is why something happened, and the effect is what happened, is the basic action, the basic happened, the basic thing that happened. Okay, let's see here the exercise. It says, each underlined sentence describes an effect. So here is an effect. They are underlining the effect for us. Circle the letter beside the sentence that tells the cause. Okay, so we are going to read the sentence and we need to find the cause of every underlined effect. Let's see. After a few minutes, the wind stopped. Terry's sailboat stopped moving. She took out an oar and began to ride. So, Terry's sailboat stopped moving. Okay, so this is the, as we said, this is the effect. The underlined part is the effect. We need to know the cause. Type. Why the sailboat stopped moving? To know the cause, I ask myself, why? Why the sailboat stopped moving? Let's see. Terry began to paddle. Terry took out an oar, or the wind stopped. Why the sailboat stopped? Read the sentence again. After a few minutes, the wind stopped. The wind stopped. When the wind stopped, what happened? The sailboat stopped moving. So why did the sailboat stop moving? It's because the wind stopped. So we need to choose choice C. Number 2. Noah was overjoyed. She was overjoyed. It's like she was very happy, extra happy. The little park was saved from destruction. Means it was saved from damage, from harm. The volunteers had raised enough money to buy it from developers. So here is the effect, as we said. We need to know the cause. What do we ask ourselves? We ask ourselves why. Why the little park was saved? Why it was saved? What happened? Was it saved because she was very overjoyed? She was very happy? Or it was saved because the volunteers raised enough money to buy the park? Or the developers donated the park to the volunteers? Donated, it's like they gave it for them for free. So, why the little park was saved? Why? The volunteers had raised enough money to buy it from developers. So, it's choice B. 3. It was only 2 in the afternoon, but Sarah turned on her headlights. Again, this is effect. We ask ourselves why. Why did she turn on her headlights? Clouds had covered the sun and it was dark. So why did she turn on the headlights? Because the clouds blocked the sun, or some sun came through the clouds, or it was in the afternoon. Of course, because it was dark. The clouds blocked the sun. Clouds had covered the sun. It was dark. For that, what did she do? She turned on her headlights. 4. Snow continued for days. Weather forecasters said it was a record snowfall. Schools were shut for 3 days. Children had fun sledding and playing in the snow. Schools were shut for 3 days. Why? What is the cause? Why schools were shut? Why schools were closed for 3 days? Is it because the children had fun in the snow? Or weather forecasters said it was a record snowfall, or it had snowed? Of course, it's C. So because of the snow, because of the heavy snow, what happened? The schools were shut for many days. Okay, I hope this is clear for you, cause and effect. Now I want you to do the next page, which is page 18. It will be a homework for you. This is the same way that we did. You will read the paragraph and then you have to write the effect. See here in number 1, for example, they gave you the cause. You need to find the effect. Okay, so the cause is Mr. Bumper thought that eating fish would make him smarter. What's the effect? You can find it here in the paragraph. Number 2, they gave you the effect. You need to find the cause. Clear? The two parts, you find them in the paragraph. The same way you do in the second paragraph. You read the paragraph very well, then you answer 3 and 4. In 3, you have to find the cause. You ask yourself why. And in 4, you have to find the effect. You ask yourself what happened because of this. Okay, so you can pause the video to read the paragraphs and answer the questions on the comprehension copybook. Of course, don't write all this paragraph on the copybook. No, write only the answers on the copybook. Thank you.